So whenever you're ready, let's hear the rest of it.
Okay, let's see Groucho will sing another song for everybody.
Hello.
What is that in the window? The one with the white tail. What is that in the window? I know that is for sale.
Attaboy, Groucho.
Wow.
What do you think? One more? Try one more? All right. We're going to try one more, but you know what? First, Groucho, why don't you give the judges a big kiss? Good stuff, that kiss. I agree. Okay. Well, he does sing 7, so let's try for one more song. What do you think, Groucho?
Oh, my God. One more song. Do one more song.
You're next. All right, Mario's saying one more. He actually is bilingual. Let's see if we can get one more. No, how about your other one?